comes a time in a man's life when he has to learn how to do other things besides just, calling a plumber or calling an electrician or anything like that. Today, tried to do some laundry last week and Thursday, and the dryer wasn't drying. It was running, but it wasn't making any, it was making noise, but it wasn't turning the drum. Found out, belt broke. All right, so had to make a change. Take this thing apart and change the belt. There's the belt, the new one. So what did I do? Took it apart. Now she turns. Also, learned that these things can make fires. Inside of here is a big propeller that brings the heat. And when you use dryer sheets and the lint from the clothing that doesn't make it to the catch, goes into the impeller. And when it goes in there, it gets stuck because that dryer lint and stuff is it's kind of tacky for all the chemicals they put on to make your clothes smell good. So the plastics in there start to melt and they do clump up and clog the impeller, causing dryer fires. So I'm a big proponent on not burning down my house. So I took my shop vac and sucked out all of that, and you had to also take a screwdriver and a pick and use this in order to pull out the lint between the veins. It worked. Now I'm going to put it all together, and I got a load of laundry that's in the machine right now that finished an hour ago, and I need to get it dried because I got a lot of, we're backed up. We're backed up in clothes. All right, so I'm going to put this all together, get it back running, and see you later. And we're back. All right, the front is on. I plugged it in, light comes on. Let's give it a go. See if I know what I'm doing. Power. Start. There we go. Had to put the lid on it, and it should be done. Thanks for joining me.